Good day, everyone. Welcome to the Certified Math Majors channel. This video is the second part of how to simplify radical expressions the easier way. Now, the first video involves numbers as the radicand, but in this video, we're going to have a way on how to simplify radical expressions wherein the radicand or those that are inside the radical symbol consist of variables. So let's have the first example. You have the square root of x to the 7th. Now, if the radicand is a variable, when you simplify, you simply divide the exponent of the radicand by the index. So, since in this case, the exponent of the radicand is 7 and the index is 2, we're going to divide 7 by 2. And when we divide 7 by 2, the answer is 3, remainder 1. So this 3, as the quotient, will be the exponent of the part that is outside the radical symbol, while the remainder is the exponent of the part inside the radical symbol. So since you have 3, then we can have x cubed that is now outside the radical symbol, and then we have 1. So you have square root of x. This is the exponent here. We don't need to write it. So that's why the answer is x cubed square root of x. Second example, we have cube root of y to the 17th. So the same thing, divide the exponent of the radicand by the index. That will be 17 divided by 3, which gives us an answer of 5 remainder 2. So the quotient will be the exponent of the variable that is outside the radical symbol, while the remainder is the exponent of the variable that will remain inside the radical symbol. So since 5 is an exponent outside the radical symbol, the answer now will be y to the 5th, and this 2 is the exponent of the variable that will remain inside the radical symbol. So that's why this is cube root of y squared. And this is now the answer. Next, we have the cube root of x to the 5th, y to the 6th. Now, there are two variables here, so we're going to make two division statements. Let's start with the x first. So exponent is 5, divide by 3, because the index is 3. That gives you 1, remainder 2. Now, for the y, that will be 6 divided by 3. That gives you 2, remainder of 0. Now, for the x, since we have a remainder of 2, then this one, which is the quotient, will be the exponent of x outside the radical symbol, while the 2 is the exponent of x that will remain inside the radical symbol. For the y, since there is no remainder, that means this exponent 2 will be the exponent of the variable outside the radical symbol. But again, since the remainder is 0, nothing is left of the y inside the radical symbol. Therefore, our answer now is x y squared cube root of x squared. So that's it for this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more easy math tricks. Thank you so much and enjoy learning.